My name is Gideon Chi Edozie Ukeke. Over the last 5 years, I have been able to help a whole lot of young people learn about wealth creation, develop high paying skills, and make a whole lot of money and multiply them. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I am going to be making videos about wealth creation, money making, money management, and money multiplication. You will learn the reason why you are not making enough money, and you'll be able to learn how to make enough money, plenty money, and how to manage and multiply them. Expect videos on skills that pay, best money making opportunities around the globe, how to earn in dollars, best money management practices, and a whole lot of informative and educative content. Not to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification so that you don't miss any of our amazing content every Sunday by 6 p.m. Thank you.